Next load coming in, keep the rhythm.
Straps are secure, bring it forward.
The rich soil of the valley yields its final crop. Soon, these artichokes will travel coast to coast.
Toss that one, it's too small.
Okay, got it.
The most difficult vegetable to process.
Processing the globe's most challenging vegetable requires immense power. Inside this tunnel, high-pressure water and
To get to the heart of the artichoke, they first have to get past the tough outer leaves. This is where the real challenge begins. To handle the most complex vegetable in the world, this factory relies on absolute precision at the stem cutting stage.
Welcome to the front lines of food processing. The artichoke, considered by many the most difficult vegetable to process, meets its match.
Halves plunge into an anti-browning bath. Bubbles rise as the solution circulates. This single step keeps them from turning dark and ugly.
to lock in that vibrant green and eliminate microbes, these artichoke hearts must face the steam heat shock.
Dubbed the most difficult vegetable to process, these machines utilize precision air jets to sort thousands of artichoke hearts an hour.
Artichokes are notoriously difficult to process, requiring absolute precision at every step.
It's the most difficult vegetable to process, requiring absolute precision. Watch as the multi-head weigher delivers perfect portions every time.
Artichokes are notoriously difficult to process, requiring absolute precision at every step.
The artichoke is notoriously difficult to process, requiring precision machinery and the finest golden oil.
The sealing heads clamp down and lock the lid. 1 second later, it's airtight.
This is the artichoke, widely considered the most difficult vegetable to process. But inside this factory,
They've survived the cleaning process. Now the real test begins, deep inside the retort. A valve opens and steam surges through the manifold. The pipes hiss and drip with condensation.
Everything stabilizes. Temperature steady, pressure steady. The countdown runs. This holding window.
With millions of jars processed daily, quality control is paramount. Here, they measure the exact cap torque to the decimal point.
It looks simple, but it's precision timing at scale.
Rejected units don't go back silently. They move into a controlled rework lane, scanned, logged by an operator, and isolated to protect quality.
Did you check the levels on the tablet?
Yes, they look optimized for the next run.
The coder prints the batch and expiry in a blink, ensuring perfect traceability even at high speed.
Easy, easy. Bring it left just a touch. All right, set it down.
This is the moment the entire industrial process becomes food for someone's home.